Hello, Mike here from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Today we are going to talk about Legendary Marketer, which was started by David Sharp. Before we do that though, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. As I said, we are going to talk about Legendary Marketer, which was started by David Sharp a few years ago. He is now a very, very successful marketer these days. He started this program out and he's got 15 steps within this program, which you study and learn everything how to become a marketeer. Within these 15 steps, you also get a mentor to help you. So after you've gone 1, 2, 3 steps, then a mentor will contact you, speak to you, ask you if you understand everything in the first 3 steps, ask you questions about it so that you fully understand what is going on in this program. This mentor then would open up the next 2 programs for you to study, which are videos for you to listen to and take in all the information. Again, you would then be contacted by your mentor to ask you questions to see if you understand, and this goes on right the way through on the full 15 steps. Now I know the program I went on, 15 steps, has slightly changed since I did it, and he's now upgraded these 15 steps to 15 brand new videos, which I'm now about to go through myself. But this teaches you how to become an affiliate marketer. When you're a beginner, this is for beginners or people already in affiliate marketing. It is a great in-depth study on how to become an affiliate marketer. I can thoroughly recommend this course. For anybody to take on. There is, when you join this course, you will also get this book come through, which is from David Sharp. It's an extremely good read on learning how to become a marketer and how he started to become a marketer. From when he was a very poor person, he was somebody who was on drugs, an alcoholic, you name it, but he got himself out of a rut. And he then started up this program, and now he is an extremely, extremely successful marketer and a very wealthy one at that as well. I'm just on the beginning of this as well. It's, as I say, it's a brilliant program. What I'll do, I'm going to read you out a paragraph on this one just to show you what's in it. If we come to here, the new poor will be the computer online illiterate. If you think about 2 to 5 years from now, think just about today, the people who don't understand social media, who don't understand the business need to have a presence online, people who simply don't understand how the internet works. These people are not getting hired. They are the ones that are getting fired. They are the people who aren't able to get jobs or earn a good living because without tech skills and the understanding on the internet, you've got little to no value to offer to the marketplace. You need to be proficient on what's going on with the digital media and you're going to be left behind. No business in the future is going to survive without an online presence. Even plumbers, contractors, painters, and people who have brick and mortar businesses are going to fail if they are not taking part in the conversation that's happening online. And that's because people Google everything. We don't call up our friends and ask for their help in shopping. People use Google to find who they are going to do business with. And then they read reviews and make a decision based on social proof. They browse social media and watch videos, like me, and see ads and click and boom. They're suddenly on someone's website getting out their credit card and making a purchase from all the comfort of their home. All of that happens online. More good news for you and me. The beautiful thing about starting an internet business for an internet marketing business is there's no degree needed. You don't have to have credentials, no experience needed. The playing field has been leveled. The internet has disrupted almost every industry and everybody's ability to be able to work within that industry. Because nowadays you don't have to go to the classroom and be an expert on something. All you require, all the knowledge and expertise you need to become successful right from your home. The barrier has been dropped. That's why so many of the best programmers, for example, started out as kids playing around on their computers after they got out of school. They learned everything they knew from doing it on the internet, not from learning in the classroom. And the financial upside to actually being good at digital marketing is endless. Gone are the days when their only option was to great scam off or being sold on a $40,000 to $100,000 degree college before you even have a clue about what you want from your career, and before your brain is fully developed and able to make that kind of important decision. Look, nearly a decade of university education and internship may necessarily be for a doctor who will be operating on people's bodies or brains, but that's not what most people want to do. The everyone needs to go to college scam is being exposed big time. Student loan debt today is the largest segment of debt in America, same here in England because I am from the UK. Our student loan debt is more than our credit card and the only debit that we can't be forgiven in bankruptcy. Think about that for a second. The system that says it wants you to help you set up to keep you in debt for your entire lifetime. We learn from an early age that the right thing to do is to go to college, get a good education, and hope that you can land a decent job so you can pay your student loans and monthly bills. Now, you see, when you read something like this, it makes you think that you can go on the internet, you can earn money online, you don't have to be a student, you don't have to go to university to learn this, everything there is for you, it's so easy to do, why not give this a try? I'll read you another section here where it says, in this chapter 2, the secret to avoiding failure. Why do people fail? That's the big question. Is it possible to prevent failure altogether? The short answer is no. We can solve it and help avoid big-time failure by following simple tips, which is outlined in this particular chapter in chapter 2. As David Sharp says, trust me, a sure way to avoid costly mistakes that eat up your time and money, to learn from someone who's already been there and done it. You learn from somebody doing things like this. You don't reinvent the wheel like people try to do. If you try to reinvent the wheel, you are sure to fail. There's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it. And that's why we have these 15 steps within this program telling you how to become a successful entrepreneur. Now, to be on this coach, you need to be coachable. As David Sharp has got here in this section again in his book, which I will read, coachable means being open-minded, being willing to learn, and not having to need to reinvent the wheel, like I said just now, or try to do something different, which has already been proven to work. That's why you're here, he says. Right, you want to skip the learning curve and learn exactly what's working for the people who are making money on their online businesses? Well, that's exactly what you're going to get inside this book. And the training, if you're willing to listen and follow simple instructions. The third thing is you need to do is contact your coach. As I said, you will have a coach within his 15 steps, and work closely with them so they can answer your questions and they can guide you through this process and be a sounding board for the insights you have. Yes, as he says, yes, we have coaches who are standing by to work with you within the organisation full-time, and the sole purpose is to give you value and help you get started. It's giving you complimentary, high-level coaching to help you on every step of the way in marketing strategies for you. And as he says, you bet it is. We have a physiologist at this company that has worked for me now for nearly 10 years. I never stop working this way until the day I stop. I believe it will give you a massive value up front. You're much more likely to want to do more business with me for a very long time. And that includes me also as well, as which I do business with David Sharp. If you decide you don't want to do the business with me anymore, that's fine. But most likely you'll still tell your friends and family and social media connections that you've had a good experience with the company. Now I have, and I'm still enjoying that experience. And we will generate a new business way together. So this is why you need to stick with this program. Some people won't provide you any value front until they're paid. That just doesn't fly anymore in this economy. I like to show people I can help them. As he says here, wait for it, by actually helping them. Novel concept, I know, but it's a great concept. You get value, learn a lot of amazing strategies, and have a great experience with this company. We have never-ending flow of new businesses, much of which comes through word of mouth because people have such a great experience with us, and that also includes me. I get a good night's sleep at night knowing that all I did was to help everyone who came across our company. It's a total win-win for us. It's then up to you to decide if you want to take an action on what we give you. The coach you'll be working with is a successful 6 or 7 figure earner. So your coach has been on this a long time and is earning fantastic money. In fact, I'll be quite honest, earning a lot more money than I am at the moment. But as I say, I'm still, although I'm saying the learning process, I am bringing in money, and that's the great thing. And the more I bring, the more I learn, the better I get. And as he goes on to say, you will see a picture as well as their contact information inside your member resource area on legendarymarketer.com. We pay them to train you. So they're there to help you, as I said. Be there when you need them, help you make sure that you have everything you need to be successful. That way, you'll always have some questions, someone there to answer your questions and guide you through the process so you don't have to do it alone. David Sharp, as he says, I want to work with you, work with them closely. I want to share your aha moments. Contact them when you go through every chapter and watch every video. Not only you get these videos on, as I say, this 15-step program, every day David Sharp puts out videos for you to watch through his company, teaching you more and more every time. So you're not left alone to do it by yourself. He comes up with so many different strategies every day. He brings on other people from throughout the world to help with videos also telling you what to do, how to do it, and to help you more and more and more. And the deeper you get into it, the better you will get. Now, I hope what I'm trying to tell you will persuade you to become a member of this program. Now, also, if you look below, I have a free ebook to give away on how to be a successful marketer. It's all different things I've learned through David Sharp himself. So it's not something I just made up. It's something I put together, which will help you to become a successful marketeer. Also, you will find, if you don't want to do the free book, just below that, you will find the 15 Steps to Success program there, which you can click on and go to David Sharp's program, which will, as I say, is a fantastic program to be a part of. I hope I've given you some help today and to give you something to think about, and I would like to see you join this program with me and become a very successful marketeer. As I said at the beginning of this video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. Then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when my next video comes out. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment below also as well. That'd be great to hear from you. This is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.